Dan Lawson here, your host for American Dream TV. Today we are in beautiful Smithfield, Virginia. When most people hear Smithfield, the very first thing they think about is the Smithfield ham. Although it is tasty, there is so much more that Smithfield has to offer. Today we're going to go check out a local restaurant that is known for its cheeseburgers. They are absolutely fantastic. We're also going to check out some classic cars at their monthly cruise in. So I invite you, come along for the ride. We're going to go take a look what Smithfield has to offer. Let's ride. We're here in Smithfield, Virginia at the Farmer's Table Restaurant, opened in October of 2019. It is the only place in Smithfield that you can get a proper burger. Let's go inside and meet the man that made this thing happen. I'm sitting here with Russell Karchner, co-owner of the Farmer's Table here in Smithfield, Virginia. What was your inspiration to open this in Smithfield? I mean, you got a lot of other restaurants in the area. It's a tough business.
I've been in the restaurant business for forever, sort of. My partner has also. His family, they own Crab Shack on the James River. And we often talked about opening something small and simple, like just a little sandwich shop or a burger shop or a chicken sandwich. So we came up with this idea. I moved over to this side of the water after managing a big nightclub in Hampton.
Oh, wow.
And just wanted something without alcohol, just food, just something simple, basic, small. And that's what we came up with, and it seems to be working out well.
Tell me about the cars. I mean, so you're a burger guy, you're a car guy. How long have you been into collecting muscle cars?
Started when I was in high school because there was the gas crunch, and in the late 70s, everybody's old muscle cars. We're getting mileage on them, and everybody's trading them in to get Vegas and Pintos. So
Thank you.
I started collecting them up at that time, and in high school, I had a 70 Super B, a 70 AMX, a 66 GTO, and I've been collecting them ever since. I have 5 now, and that's all I drive. I don't have anything. The
Really?
newest thing I have is a 70 Blazer.
That's cool, man. So you not only build them and collect them, you actually drive them.
Oh yeah, that's all I drive.
Man, I certainly appreciate your time, brother.
Very nice.
I know you're super busy.
Thank you.
We will catch you on the flip
Thanks
side.
for coming
man.
in.
No, thank you, man. I appreciate it. One of the cool things about hanging out with classic car folks is all of them have a story about their cars. Jerry here has a 78 Trans Am, calls it the Bandit 13. So tell me about the history on this car a little bit, man.
Well, my friend built it. He built it a while back, and he was trying to show people his chassis work. And so he built this car, ran it at track a couple times, and I've known about it. I rode in it when he first built it, and I've known the car since the whole time. And I get back from Pomona, California this year, and I called my friend up, asked him about another car, and he said, "Hey, my Trans Am's for sale." I said, "Oh my God, really?" So I forgot about the other car and jumped on his car because I've known it.
You've known this car since you were in high school?
Yes. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. And a friend of his actually owned it before him, and he used to drag race at Suffolk Raceway.
Right.
Before it was
that
cut
goes
up.
way back.
Way back.
Yeah, that goes way back.
So it's got a lot of history, so it's all tied to my high school friends.
Well, buddy, thank you for your time.
Oh, you're
Super
welcome.
cool car,
Thank
brother.
you.
Standing here with Millie and Chuck, the owners of this beautiful red 57 Thunderbird. Guys, that car is absolutely beautiful. I'm a Thunderbird fan. So you've had this for about 10 years?
10 years.
So tell me a little bit about it.
Well, I bought it from Chad Cox at the Harley Davidson shop, but the owner of Harley Davidson was Chuck Cox, and he passed away in '96. I tried to buy the car then, but his wife had sold it to her brother. He moved it to Manassas for like 15 years. He brought it back, put it at the Harley shop, and put it up for sale. I went in, I seen it. Chad wanted a lot of money for it, and it was in bad shape. I said, "I'll make you an offer." And like 3 or 4 weeks go by, he called me back, said, "That offer's still good." I said, "Yeah." He said, "Let me call my uncle." He called his uncle, and he talked to his uncle, and his uncle said, "Well, I just put $1,000 worth of tires on the car." I said, "I'll go up $1,000. If he wants any more, don't call me back. Don't bother me with it." He said, "Okay." Called me back 15 minutes later, and he said he'll take it. So he gave me a week to get the money together. and I pay cash for it.
Thank you for sharing your story a little bit. It's great meeting you. So we checked out Farmer's Table, had an absolute amazing cheeseburger. Food is great there always. We've seen some beautiful classic cars here at the Cruise Inn. I just want to say thank you so much for coming along for the ride. I'm Dan Lawson, your host of American Dream TV, and until next time, keep living your American dream.